Okay, there's breaking news coming in right there. ECS sought report within an hour from DO Cooch Behar after 4 people were killed in coal violence. Bengal ADGP says CISF Jawans fired after they were attacked. Preliminary reports are out. They say that they died after Central Forces opened fire. Locals allegedly attacked the polling booths and poll officials. TMC has complained to the EC, says, and I quote, all 5 are AITC workers belonging to a certain faith. So this is a tragic incident, in fact, that we are reporting at the moment, and breaking news coming in on the 4 people who have died in the violence. EC has sought the report within an hour from DO Cooch Behar after 4 people were killed in the political violence. Poulami Saha now joins us for the very latest. Poulami, for our viewers who have just tuned in, if you could just encapsulate all that transpired and now what next as far as this incident is concerned.
Right. It's a very tragic turn of events that the 4th phase of these elections have taken. This is a matter which is being reported from the Mathabhanga police station area of Sital Kuchi assembly seat in Cooch Behar district. Remember, Cooch Behar is going into polls for the first time. 9 assembly segments polling today. And this is Sital Kuchi, which has witnessed some violence recently as well. It was the same assembly seat where Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh came under attack a few days ago. And now what is being reported, we're of course trying to collect as much detail as is possible from all our sources within the Election Commission, within the forces as well, from police sources as well. What we're learning is that 4 persons have died in firing which was opened by Central Forces when in fact they came under attack and they were geared out by locals. We're trying to gauge whether these were party workers, because we're also hearing reports that the TMC and the BJP clashed at this particular polling station that I'm speaking about under Sital Kuchi assembly segment. 4 persons have died. Now the Trinamool Congress is alleging that 5 of its party workers have died in this incident where Central Forces had to open fire because they were, of course, staving off people who had geared out them, and polling officials had come under attack as well. It was a QRT team which was doing the rounds when it came under attack, is what we're learning from our official sources. The TMC has gone to the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal. The Election Commission has sought a report on the incident within an hour's time, in fact, from the DO of West Bengal.
All right, hold on right there. Indrajit is also joining us on the story. Indrajit, there is a complaint going out to Election Commission by the Trinamool Congress. What does the complaint say?
Well, the Trinamool Congress has just, mailed to the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal. And I'll just read out what the complaint says, Chaiti. It says, in booth number 126 Assembly Constituency, Sital Kuchi, 5 people have been shot dead by CRPF after BJP captured the booth. According to our sources on the ground, all 5 were AITC party workers belonging to a certain faith. This is a grave violation of the law and the MCC on manifold accounts. I strongly urge you to escalate the matter on priority and begin an investigation at the earliest to apprehend the perpetrators. This is the complaint that has been filed by the Trinamool Congress with the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal, through the Chief Electoral Officer of West Bengal to the Election Commission of India. In fact, Trinamool's national spokesperson Derek O'Brien now tweets and says, as alleged, and I quote him, he says, when you can't beat us fair and square, you shoot and kill, you killers at your command. Election Commission recently changed ADG of Bengal Police and the SP of the area where killings took place today, 5 dead. You both have blood on your hands, but then you are used to the...
Hold on right there. I'm being told that we're getting some live reaction coming in from Bengal ADG Jag Mohan on this incident. Listen in.
जो है कुछ पॉलिटिकल समर्थक जो थे उनके साथ कुछ सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस का वहां पे जो है प्रॉब्लम हुआ, और उसके बाद में गांव के लोग आ गए, कुछ सपोर्टर आ गए इधर-उधर से, तो दे अटैक द सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, और उसमें जो है दे हैड टू ओपन फायर इन राइट टू प्राइवेट डिफेंस.
ये किसका वर्जन है सर? ये रिपोर्ट आपको वहां से आपके किसी आपके मातहत अधिकारी ने दी, जनता से, किससे? जी,
नीचे से जो रिपोर्ट आ रही, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट से रिपोर्ट आई है कि उनके ऊपर हमला होने के बाद उन्होंने जो है जवाबी जो आपने कार्रवाई
जी, वही मैं पूछ रही थी सर, डिस्ट्रिक्ट से किसने रिपोर्ट दी आपको?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट से रिपोर्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एसपी हैं, बाकी और ऑफिसर हैं।
तो क्या ये तमाम ऑफिसर्स मौके पर मौजूद थे, उन्होंने देखा है?
वो तो मौके पे नहीं थे, एसपी तो मौके पे नहीं था, बाकी ऑफिसर जो लोग हैं।
हाँ, तो वहां पर मौजूद ऑफिसर्स ने ये रिपोर्ट दी है आपको?
रिपोर्ट आती है एसपी के माध्यम से, एसपी से बात होने के बाद ये खबर।
हाँ, और एसपी वहां पर मौजूद नहीं थे?
एसपी मौजूद नहीं रह सकते हर जो है माने जगह में, जब इलेक्शन हो रहा है तो हर जगह में मौजूद तो रहा होते हैं। उनके माध्यम से बाकी जो है सीनियर ऑफिसर गए हैं, दे हैव सुपरवाइज द मैटर।
जी, अब आपका अगला कदम क्या होगा? आपने उनसे क्या कहा है?
इसके बारे में रिपोर्ट जो है मांगा गया है, रिपोर्ट के ऊपर जो है कार्रवाई होगी, का जो है डिटेल में रिपोर्ट जो है। हाँ जी
सर, चूंकि अभी तस्वीर साफ नहीं है और पूरे देश में लोग सुनना चाह रहे हैं, चुनाव आयोग ने भी रिपोर्ट मांगी है। एक बार मैं आपसे ये समझना चाह रही हूँ कि एक लड़के को जो वोटिंग करने के लिए आया था, वहां से बात बिगड़ी, अगर सिलसिलेवार ढंग से आप पूरा बता दें। जी
डिटेल आने के बाद
जी, नहीं, अभी जो शुरुआती रिपोर्ट आपने बताई है सर, वही जानकारी एक बार फिर से दे दें।
आपको बता दिया है और डिटेल में रिपोर्ट आने
जी, और आपका कहना है कि सीआईएसएफ की ही फायरिंग हुई थी? जी, धन्यवाद आपका, धन्यवाद। एडीजीपी जगमोहन।
There you go, live reaction coming in from Bengal, ADG Jagmohan right there. Just for our viewers who have tuned in, this is our top focus at the moment. This is the poll violence that we are bringing to you. Very unfortunate turn of events taking place in the fourth phase as Bengal goes to poll. EC has now sought a report within an hour now from DEO Cooch Behar after 4 people were killed in this kind of poll violence. Very, very unfortunate. We are getting a reaction coming in from TMC, I believe. Let's listen in. Okay, TMC has hit out at the center over poll fatalities. So the Trinamool Congress has pinned the blame on center, hitting it out. They've said, when you can't beat us, you kill us. They are putting the blame over the Bharatiya Janata Party, over the central government. This is coming in as the EC has sought a report within an hour from DEO Cooch Behar after 4 people were killed in the poll violence. Bengal ADGP saying CISF Jawans were fired after they were attacked. Preliminary reports are out. It says they were died after central forces opened fire. Locals allegedly attacked the polling booth and poll officials, and the TMC complained to EC. Now the TMC has hit out at the center over poll violence. Polemy, in the complaint the TMC has put out, they've said all 5 are AITC workers belonging to a certain faith. If you could elucidate further on this complaint.
Well, like Indrajit was pointing out, this is what the TMC is in fact charging. They have in fact said that in booth number 126, Assembly Constituency Sital Kuchi, 5 people have been shot dead by the CRPF after BJP captured the booth. And according to our sources on the ground, all 5 are AITC party workers belonging to a certain faith. What we've learned is that it was CISF personnel who were on the ground. They were gherawed. It was a QRT team, like I said earlier, which was doing the rounds at about 9:40 a.m. They were in fact geared out by a mob in Sital Kuchi area, and at that time they were able to successfully, to a large extent, disperse that mob. 1 hour later, as they continued to do their rounds, this is coming from the CISF itself, 1 hour later, as they continued to do their rounds, they saw a booth being attacked, and that is when they went in, tried to manage the situation. They were gherawed and they opened fire in retaliation. It is a matter which is of course being investigated. Like we've been telling our viewers, the Election Commission has definitely come into the picture. They have sought a report, an incident report from the DEO of West Bengal within an hour's time. The Central Election Commission is in the picture as well, communicating with the Special Observer for West Bengal on this, but extremely tragic and unfortunate turn of events that the 4th phase of election has taken in West Bengal. Now the TMC of course blaming the Bharatiya Janata Party, taking it to the Election Commission, saying 5 of our party workers have lost their lives in this unfortunate incident, and this matter needs to be investigated at the earliest and immediately. It remains to be seen if the party is of course addressing a press conference. They've called for an urgent press conference at 1 p.m. so they will be responding to the allegations. Mamata Banerjee is also speaking at a rally right now and is most likely going to speak on this incident in Cooch Behar as well. Remember, she's been facing off with the central forces for a while right now, alleging that they have been conducting themselves in a biased manner, and then of course that very controversial
Just for the
statement which
voters'
the
confidence, you
note
wake
of
up
as well,
one morning, you go out there to cast your ballot, and then you're shot dead.
It is extremely shocking. It will, of course, shake the confidence to some extent of the voters. Chetty, given the past of assembly elections and other elections as well, I'm talking about Panchayat, Lok Sabha elections as well in West Bengal, they've been quite marred with violence. This phase, assembly election so far of the 3 phases, what we witnessed, it was largely peaceful. The central forces had been put in larger numbers in this election by the central government, and they had managed and contained the situation except for a few incidents here and there, like we saw in the 3rd phase in Arambagh constituency.
Paulami, I'm coming back to you. I would like to know from you where the BJP stands on this, but I just want to take this across to Indrajit for a second. Indrajit, where is the CCTV footage to ascertain who really opened fire and how did this unfortunate turn of events take place?
Well, Chaiti, these are early times as far as this incident is concerned. The Election Commission, of course, as I said, has sought a report from the district election official of Cooch Behar right now. And he has been asked to submit a report within an hour's time. I spoke to senior police officials, senior observers of the Election Commission, police observers of the Election Commission, who said that according to preliminary reports, the central forces had to resort to firing in self-defense because the officials told me that that the police station was being carried out. They used the term the police station was being attacked, and they said that poll officials who were there at the police station at that polling station booth number 126 in Shitalkuchi, they were under attack, and that's the reason why in self-defense the central security forces had to resort to firing. Now this of course is going to be very, very sensitive in West Bengal. Remember, we are halfway, we're in the halfway mark as far as the 8th phase polling in West Bengal is concerned, and the ruling Trinamool Congress of course is making very, very grave allegations. They're saying that all of them are Trinamool Congress supporters. They're saying that it is not 4 but 5 people who have died in firing, and they're saying that this comes right after several high-profile changes were made by the Election Commission from ADG to DG to SP. All of them who were transferred, removed. In fact, this comes in the backdrop. You would know yesterday Mamata Banerjee's long-time security
hold on right there.
officer,
you've got the TMC hitting out of the BJP. Paulami, like I said, TMC has gone all guns blazing, hitting out at the central government over the poll fatalities. How does the BJP respond to this?
Well, as far as the BJP is concerned, they're obviously saying, the matter will be investigated by the Election Commission. Like Indrajit was saying, these are very sort of early times because the incident report and various, stands and versions by the agencies on the ground are only coming through right now. We are only trying to confirm those details, and we'll only go with what the official sources are telling us at the moment. The Election Commission, of course, has taken cognizance of this incident, is investigating the matter right now because it's extremely sensitive in nature. It's obviously not, appropriate to jump to any sort of conclusions at the moment. But the TMC, of course, has approached the Election Commission, has told the Election Commission that we've lost 5 of our party workers in this incident and it needs to be investigated immediately, and the Election Commission needs to intervene in the matter, which it has already done, and sought a report from the DEO of West Bengal.
Indro, what are your sources on CISF saying about this? We'll get Indrajit back with us in just about a bit. I'm requesting the producers to do so, but there is a complete investigation that is underway, as was reported by my colleague Paulami Saha, who's reporting this story. She's breaking all the reactions that are coming out. It's an unfortunate turn of events in the phase 4 elections, bombs firing, lathi charge, all of this happening in the phase 4 of elections. EC has sought a report on this violence that transpired in Cooch Behar as well. For the moment, Trinamool Congress has hit out at the central government. Indrajit is still with us. Indrajit is back. Indrajit, what are your sources in CISF saying? What is the official line that is being taken by the CISF? Are they maintaining that they had fired in retaliation?
Well, Chaiti, you know, the big information that we're getting right now, of course, is, as we said, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has reacted to the incident that has taken place in Cooch Behar. She is, of course, speaking in North 24 Pargana at a poll rally right now. Even as we speak, she is addressing the rally, and she has gone all guns blazing against the central government and, of course, the central security forces. She said that the Central Security Forces has been intimidating locals in bordering villages and bordering areas of Bangladesh, in those villages which are in the bordering areas of Bangladesh. And she's also said that women are being intimidated, threatened by Central Forces. And at the same time, she says that, you know, people have been killed in firing today. So Mamata Banerjee reacts to the incident that has taken place in Cooch Behar today while she's addressing the poll rally in North 24 Pargana. And she said the people of Bengal will in fact, you know, give them back, pay them back in their own coin and take revenge for the kind of incident that has taken place today. So Mamata Banerjee now, you know, speaking out on this very, very big development that has taken place in the 4th phase of polling here in West Bengal.
All right, leave it at that. Indrajit, stay with us on the story. These are the latest visuals that are coming in at the moment. 4 dead after CISF opens fire on a mob, and they are playing right there on our screens at the moment. Listen in. News coming in, cutting straight across to the breaking news that is